Hi guys, how's it going? In this tutorial, I will quickly show you how to do this panel. I will use a curve to control the panel form like this. You can see the panel form is changing. That's very cool, right? Okay, let's get started. The first step, I construct 4 points. And you can see it will be like this. In the front view, there are 4 points. And then the next step, I'm gonna merge them together into one group. And then create a lot of them, like this. I use move and series batteries together. Actually, if you want to use linear arrays, you will get the same result too. But here I will show you how to use move and series to do it. The next step is I'm gonna use point list. You can see all the points are in the different group now. This is number 1 points group, and number 2 points group, number 3 points group, and number 0 points group. And then I'm gonna use list atom to pick the number 1 group, this one, because I will move it to another side, move all of these points to another side. Before I use graph mapper, it will be like this. I will give it a range to move it. The minimum distance is 4 and the maximum distance will be 20. You can see this part is 20 compared to this line, and this part is 4. Cool. Then I give it a graph mapper. You can choose different tabs from here: Bezier, conic, linear, power or sine, cosine, depends on you. Cool. And also I need to pick different groups. This is a number 0 points group, number 2 points group, and number 3 points group. Merge them together and then use polyline to connect them. This one. Fill it edge to create the corners. You can change the different radius from here. And then I use extrude surface in Y directions, cap holes, make the surface into the solid volumes. The last step is give it a color. Cool guys, this is the end of the tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to do it step by step. It will be much more clearly. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.